Alright, thanks for coming back. This is the new 17.1 Kodi Krypton. It's a little bit different than the 16.1 that some people may be used to. Um, Little sidebar, there's nothing across the middle. All these movies, TV shows, you're actually going to go down to add-ons, and this is where you're going to find all the add-ons that you're used to, all the videos, Exodus, Phoenix, Prime Wire, Sports Devil. All this is what you're used to, and you can find it all off this left sidebar that has add-ons. If you actually click on it, there's plenty of them here, and these are the ones that are downloaded into your stick. There's actually more that you can download, or you can remove some of these if you don't want them on here, and I'll show you how to do that next. You're actually going to come down to download, click on it, scroll all the way down to where it says video add-ons, click on it, and all the ones with the check mark that you'll see are actually installed, like this one channel. If I was to not want it on the stick, I come down, click on it, come down to uninstall. Now if I do want one of these, say ABC Family, I would click on it, push the install, and then it would pop up on this home screen right here on videos, and it would be on here. So whatever you uninstall will go off, whatever you install will be put in this screen. This is the same and works the same for the music add-ons. Once you're in this video, click and play with each app. They all do different things. A lot of people like Exodus, Phoenix, stuff like that. What I usually do is, if you Google some of these, it kind of explains what they do and what their capabilities of them are. Now if you push all the way back, go back to the home screen. This is where I'll show you if you're used to the 16.1 or 16 or the previous versions. You can actually change the screen or the skin to make it back to how it was. So what you're going to do is come up here to where it says System or Settings, this little wheel. Come down to Interface Settings, click on that, scroll over to the skin where it says Estuary. You're going to click on that. Since the one that we want is not on here, you're going to go over to Get More. Scroll all the way down to the C's where it says Confluence. You're going to click on that. Let it do its download. Should only take just a second. Once this downloads and installs, push yes, and your screen should look like this. Now if you noticed, all the video add-ons, all that stuff is not on here. You're going to scroll over here to Programs. Okay. Program add-ons. Down to Indigo. Come over here to Rejuvenate Kodi, and you want to push yes, and this is basically going to reboot the system now that you changed the skins. Install, and let it do its course. Once it finishes downloading and does its course, then it'll restart and boot you out of into the Amazon screen. Just go ahead and click back onto it, and it'll all be good. Alright guys, I've noticed about every once in a while a couple sticks will have an error, and when you get back into it you still have this, everything's missing, and when you go back into programs, program add-ons, it's actually empty. So what you're going to have to do, come over here to System, File Manager, and this fusion's not going to be there, so this is what you're going to create. So you're going to click on Add Source. When you click on Add Source, you're actually going to, this is what you're going to type in. Make sure you're typing in exactly how it shows on here. Fusion, come down here, type in Fusion, and then push OK. Once you do that, Fusion will pop up right here. You're going to go back, Go over here to Settings, Add-ons, Install from zip file, and this will pop up. For security installation add-ons from unknown sources, disable. Come over here to Settings. You'll see that it's highlighted. Click on it. You want yes. You'll push the back. Now install from zip file. Fusion. Begin here. And click on this one. See, it looks like it's loading, but you won't see anything. Push the back. Back again. Give it a few minutes. It's actually loading, doing stuff behind the scenes that you can't see. And then you'll see that pop up at the bottom right. Indigo add-on updated. So that's when you come over to Programs, Program Add-ons, and there it is. It should be the only one on there. All this stuff will pop up. Come over here to Config Wizard, first one that you see. Click on it. You want to install it. Now all this is installing. Should take a few minutes. Once it does install, then it'll tell you that you need to restart it, and it'll exit out of Kodi. Once it exits out, same thing. Boot you out. Click up back on Kodi. It'll pop up. Reopen up, and then everything should be there. If it doesn't do it this time, then I recommend going back to the skin, the previous one, instead of using this one.